and good morning. I am Mark from Kitchen Garden Magazine, and today we're going to be taking a look, an unbagging look at the Mastergrip range of gloves from Town Country. Now, Town Country are one of the UK's leading gardening brands who have been operating in the gardening sector for over 30 years. Now, what's quite interesting is that over 2/3 of us have different gloves for different tasks in the garden. So whether that be wet or cold conditions, light gardening tasks, or indeed more demanding gardening tasks, having a selection of gloves from which to choose is always a good idea. So I'm quite excited to have a look in the bag and see what the Mastergrip range has to offer. So I've got the bag open, and as you can see, there's quite a selection in this Mastergrip range. So first of all, we're going to learn exactly what is Mastergrip. So I've just fished a pair out of the bag. These are what I call the Mastergrip regulars, general sort of task gardening gloves. Now, in terms of the Mastergrip, what's all that about? Well, these gloves offer you the ultimate grip in wet or dry conditions. In fact, up to 100% more grip than standard gloves. They've got little micro pores, and these form a kind of a vacuum with the surface that you're gripping. So it's particularly good if you can appreciate if you've got, say, a spade or a fork or something that in wet conditions that you need to have a good grip on. But also, if your grip isn't that strong in the first place, then these are going to help. They're going to really, really help. They've also got a soft, breathable back as well, which is great. Not going to get hot and sweaty. If I just pop these open, and there we go, get the little bits of plastic off, and I'm going to slip this on. And straight away, we have got a really, really nice soft interior on that. Now, these are a large, and they fit my big paws very, very nicely indeed. They're very, very flexible, and I think that the close fit here is going to be excellent when you've got tasks, you know, seeding, planting, and that sort of thing, that you're going to need to have that dexterity, that control over. You know, my first thoughts on these is that they are very, very soft indeed, very, very comfortable, and I can already feel that grip. It's going to be great. And don't forget, over the next couple of videos, we're going to be really putting this range to the test to see what they're made of, what they've got to offer. So let's have a look at a few more in the range. So the Mastergrip regulars, as I call them, they come in at $8.99, and in the large or extra large, you've got the navy, which I tried on. And you've also got the green, which come in small, medium, or large. And I'm just checking my sizes. We have the purple, which comes in small or medium. Now, as well as those colours, we have the Mastergrip pattern as well. Now, you can see we've got cherry blossom and we've got lavender. These also come in at $8.99. And you've got all the benefits of that. Super grip, as usual, and these very, very soft and colourful backs on those. Now these, just check the sizes of those. Yep, they come in at small or medium on that. Just in case you're wondering about caring for these gloves, warm water is what you wash them in, and that will do the trick. So, a couple of little colour variations on those as well. So, what else have we got in the range? We have got the Mastergrip Pro. Now these, straight away, have got more of a substantial feel to them. So they're going to be for your more demanding gardening tasks. And I'm just going to slip one of these on. Yep, straight away, more robust, and you're going to have confidence with these on your more demanding tasks. And again, you've got that grip on there and a very, very soft and comfortable exterior on that. And these are $9.99, and they come in small, medium, large, or extra large. So there we go, that's the Mastergrip Pro. If you want to go fully waterproof, we've got the Mastergrip waterproof. So not only have they got the high grip palms on those, as per usual, but they've also got a waterproof back. Now, there's several jobs that I do. When it's raining, you get in the backs of your hands wet. Well, that's going to prevent it with these. Fully waterproof. So we're liking those, and we can't wait to put those to the test. They are $10.99. Now, finally, cold conditions, we've got the Mastergrip Thermalite. Now, these are fabulous. I really like these because, I don't know about you, in cold conditions out there in the garden, the hands do get cold. They do get cold. But these, straight away, I can feel my hands warming up. So these are the Mastergrip Thermalite, and these come in small, medium, large, or extra large, and they retail at $10.99. I'm telling you now, they fit like a glove should. Beautiful.